Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal. Carefully separate the display bezel from the adhesive and retention tabs on the display panel and display enclosure. Important: a non-metallic flat-bladed tool should be used to separate the lower edge of the display bezel from the adhesive on the display panel. Lift and remove the display bezel. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the 4 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the display panel to the display enclosure. Remove the 2 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the touchscreen board to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the touchscreen board. Lift the display panel off of the alignment pins and place it face down on the top cover. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the display panel. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.